Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload files to DeepSeek Chat. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, go to chat.deepseek.com and log into your account. Pretty simple, just enter your email and password and you're good to go. Once you're in the chat, look for the paperclip icon in your message section. That's the upload button on DeepSeek Chat. Click on it. A new window will pop up, letting you select the file you want to upload. Keep in mind that DeepSeek can only extract text from files, so images without text won't work well. For example, we have an Excel file here. Click open to upload it. Once it's uploaded, you can ask DeepSeek to do pretty much anything with it. Like, can you describe the contents of this file? Then click send. After sending, you'll see the UI loading. Depending on the file size, this might take a little time. Also, there's a limit to how much DeepSeek can read. If the file is too big, it'll tell you what percentage of the file it can process. For instance, it might only read 80 to 98% of your file. So you might be wondering what file types DeepSeek accepts. Currently, you can upload CSVs, Excel files, documents, PDFs, and even PNGs. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's all there is to uploading files to DeepSeek Chat. Hopefully, this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more tips and tricks.